Always do things which make you live on the edge, and I have with me the Bangalore Tigers corner, Tiger Shroff. All right, Tiger. So what's the challenge? I'm gonna say you throw me 3 kinds of kicks. All right? If you do it, you can. Whoa! Give it up louder! Kick number 1! Tiger, what about kick number 2, man? Number 2, come on, crowd! Give your support to Tiger! Ladies and gentlemen, Tiger kick number 2! Tiger, I think you're getting nervous, man. Let's see if he accepts my challenge number 3. This is going to be living on the edge. Will he do it or not? Will he break norms? My challenge to Tiger Shroff. Tiger, I think you're panicking, my friend. Let's see whether you can show me what you can do. Siddharth Kannan ka challenge to Tiger Shroff. Tiger, Tiger, Tiger. Dosto, give it up for the man who wins every challenge. Yaar, tum baar challenge jeete rehte ho. Now I have lost to you again. You can make me do anything you want. That's part of a deal.
Okay, since you're a very...
Hold on, count.
5 kar lo.
Okay?
2, 3, 4, 5.
No! Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tiger Shroff, I love you.
Thanks, Sid. That was great. Tiger Shroff, the old